Walang rehistro ng kapanganakan or walang birth certificate? Disclaimer. Ang vlog na ito ay pawang ginawa upang makadagdag ng kaalaman, maipahayag ang pamamaraan, magabayan at matulungan ang may mga suliranin sa kanilang mga civil registry documents. Para sa karagdagan at iba pang mahalagang impormasyon ay maaring magtungo sa pinakamalapit na local civil registry office or PSA office sa inyong lugar. Walang birth certificate? Ano ang dapat mong gawin kung gusto mong magpa-birth certificate? Kung ikaw ay nag-aaral, nagtatrabaho, or nasa tamang edad na, mangangailangang ikaw ay mag-file ng tinatawag na delayed registration. Unang dapat mong gawin, magtungo sa local civil registry office kung saang lugar ka ipinanganak. I-verify sa kanila kung may rehistro ka na. If wala, kailangan mong mag-request ng PSA copy ng iyong birth certificate. Kapag ang copy na inisyu sa iyo ay birth certificate of no record of birth, ang ibig sabihin, papayagan ka ng local civil registry office kung saan ka narapat mag-file ng request for delayed registration. Kapag ang vital event, katulad ng kapanganakan, ay hindi na-register within the reglementary period or within 1 month matapos isilang ang sanggol, ay maituturing na delayed ang registration. Ayon sa PSA Memorandum Circular Number 2024-17. Requirements for delayed registration. 1. Duly accomplished COLB Form 102. 2. Certificate of no record of birth issued by PSA. 3. Any two of the following: baptismal certificate, PhilHealth member data record, marriage certificate of the document owner if married, voter registration record issued by COMELEC, school records, Form 137 SF10, other valid documents showing the correct name, date of birth, and place of birth of the registrant. Affidavit for out-of-town registration of birth. Number 5. Joint affidavit of two disinterested persons. A. Affidavit of admission of paternity and or affidavit to use the surname of the father, if the document owner is a non-marital child seeking to use the father's username. B. Affidavit of acknowledgement, if the document owner is a non-marital child seeking to use the father's surname before August 3, 1988. 7. PSA Form Number 1 Series of 2024 Certification. Mandatory requirements. Barangay certification issued by Barangay Captain, Punong Barangay. 2. Phil ID of document owner, Phil ID transaction slip, any two of the following documentary evidence of the parent's identity. A. COLB Form 102 of parents. B. Any government-issued ID with picture. C. Marriage certificate of the parents if parents were married. D. Death certificate for deceased parents. E. Others. Number 4. Unedited front-facing photo of registrant, 2x2 size, white background, taken within 3 months from the date of registration. Matapos ma-provide ang mga naturang kailangan, magkakaroon ng posting ang local civil registry office for at least 10 days. If no objection, gagawin na ang pagrehistro na tinatawag nating delayed registration. May tuturing na rehistrado ang iyong kapanganakan once na napirmahan ng local civil registrar, acting local civil registrar, ang iyong birth certificate at naibook na po siya sa civil register. Bibigyan ka or iyong nagparehistro ng copy of birth certificate, ang nagpaanak, PSA, and the 1 copy for the LCRO. Ang copy kay PSA ay kailangang maipadala agad kay PSA Central Office through PSA Provincial Office, kalakip ang transmittal na ginagawa ng Local Civil Registry Office, attach the proof of urgency kung nagmamadali ang nangangailangan. Kailangan may proof of urgency katulad ng claim of benefits, pag-secure ng passport, employment, at iba pa. Kung claim of benefits, dapat may dokumento na mai-provide na makikita iyong para sa claim of benefits. Sa passport, ay schedule of appointment sa DFA and any proof depende sa need po ninyo. After 1 month, matapos ma-forward kay PSA ang local copy of birth certificate, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng PSA copy.
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe!